What is up, y'all? It's Thomas, and I just wanted to be transparent with you guys before I upload this video or before you guys watch this. This is not how you should trade at all. Should be a lesson to all you guys who have a problem with over trading and revenge trading. Like, if you take a loss, like what you should do. And I did not follow my rules, and say sorry to you guys because or sorry to myself. I don't really care what you guys think, but I want you guys to be having good rules. So me showing you guys that it's not like showing you guys that I didn't use my rules, it kind of hurts. So just want to be transparent with you guys and just tell you guys it's not okay to do that. But it's not going to get you far on your trading journey. It's definitely not going to get me far. But that's where we're going to have to install rules and everything else. But let's get to the video. It's going to be a little bit choppy just because it's bad because of it's like an hour long, and like I'm about to edit like a ton of stuff out of me just like sitting there. But trust, I'm gonna keep all my trades in. It was like a bunch. But let's get to it. I can just do a recap of what I just think that this is gonna come down. I think we took out these highs right here, but I'm looking to, this is the fair value gap I was talking about in the beginning. If we're going to close above this, we're going to target this most likely. And then if we get a reaction off of this and we don't do anything off of this, then I would target these draws when coming down. So we have London lows, hour low, Asia lows, hour low, previous day low. So those are what I'm targeting coming into market session right now. And I'm looking for a move down and then move up, and then find my retrace that I want into equilibrium, and then targeting a Peter Ray or confluence of mine, and then I'm looking to enter off of there. So I'm gonna pause it again just because I want my video to be shorter for the audience, because my most viewed video it was like my shortest video, so I'm gonna keep it shorter for y'all just so you guys are less intimidated when watching it. So all right guys, market just opened. Wait, which way do I need to look? This way? Okay. So market just opened, and we're getting that push up that I want to see right now. I'm kind of hoping maybe it re-sweeps those highs that I just took out from London, from the London highs, and then starts making our way down, or hopefully might as well just sweep the day highs while it's up there. So we will see. Price is getting close though. It's been ripping up since market open, or I mean, it's been shooting up. So dude, I was also trading, well, when I was doing that trade, I almost got fucked this morning because look at this, bro. I was in this fucking candle, and it looked like it was like one fucking micro. So down here it was only like negative like $30, but bro, imagine I entered in on like a real like Nasdaq contract, but then I was like, holy shit, I need to get out of it. So like once I was in profit, I just like took my shit. I was like, fuck dude, I need to get out of here. But here we are in real Nasdaq. Ain't no complaints. We are I'm looking to see that retest at previous day highs. That's what I want to see. Except it's not getting it to me. It's starting to go lower. It's probably going to come back up. Look at that fucking wick. Doctor, my pitch is on. Alright, who's a Drake supporter? Who thinks Drake's better than Kendrick? Everyone drop a comment. Who's better, Drake or Kendrick? Personally, me, y'all, I'm picking Drake all day. I used to be a Kendrick lover. I still am a Kendrick lover. Like, don't get me wrong, but Drake's better, bro. And I have just acknowledged that not too long ago. So using my model takes just a little bit to set up. But we did sweep these highs that I was talking about right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if we start our continuation down. So, if I see my model set up presented within here, I'm definitely gonna take it. Don't worry, I'm gonna record it, but I'm definitely gonna take it, and I'm not gonna target two. I'm not gonna have a crazy like RR. I'm not gonna target A's or lows, just because you're probably gonna have some retesting within there, and then. But London low is definitely maybe this low, and then I might like enter and off right here because probably go down, then up, and then back down. So that's what I'm hoping for. All right, guys, we did just see a inverse on the 1 minute. Dude, I feel dumb as hell right now. Like, I'm literally, if someone was like watching me, I'm just like talking to my computer like this, just like, because it feels so fucking. I look like I'm doing. I don't give a shit, dude. I'm gonna keep on going like this, bro. You guys can suck my dick. But we did inverse this 1 minute for value gap after we sweeping these highs, and then we also inversed this rally gap right here. So I'm looking for us to push slower right now. And this is where I'm looking for my retest back up, and then hopefully coming into a for value gap of some sort. Hopefully a 5 minute is what I can find, because we didn't have any in pre-market that I can target right now. But yeah, that's what we're hoping for. So, all right, guys, we did just take out daily highs, previous day highs, and if we close above this for value gap that I marked out over here on the 5 minute, you can see if we close above it, then I'm looking to push up because we just inversed it. I'm looking to push up into this for value gap, and we're going to find a continuation trade off of that. That is my bias for today, though. But we have to wait to see how we react off of sweeping daily previous day highs. So, all right, guys, we are doing exactly what I wanted to do. We're dumping right now after taking out these all-time highs and not closing above this for value gap. So we are dumping, most likely targeting these lows right here, but this is just a lot of chop that I don't really want to get into. I would like to see a break of structure on the 5 minute. At least. I'm not going for anything on the 1. It's just not it's not close. It's not enough for me right now, just because of how choppy it's been, for sure. I mean, that indecision is fucking insane. I mean, what are we supposed to do with this fat ass week, bro? Came out, take highs, didn't close above for rally gap. So yeah, of course I'm looking to push lower, definitely targeting London lows and this hourly draw on liquidity. I wonder what this is. Cool, put him in thunder. So we'll see. So hopefully we get a close above right here, and then yeah, I'm looking to target down low. That's what I'm looking for. All right, yeah, we haven't really done much, but marking out this, we did have an SMT divergence on the 1 hour, so high time frame SMT divergence with ES going lower, and I'm expecting NQ to also go lower. So we're gonna be looking for shorts here. Once I see the opportunity, again, we've been just chop the entire time, so I'm not really sure what we're doing. I mean, this is just awful. Horrible price action. Um, that is just horrible price action. You can't take anything here. If you guys see price action like this, don't ever take the trade. Wait for a nice break of structure to your bias direction. So I'm looking for a break of structure bearish. Bearish break of structure on the, and honestly, once we do that break of structure, I'm gonna be taking out everything. So I'm gonna be looking for a 1 minute confluence so I can enter off of. But yeah, definitely I'm looking for that 1 minute break of structure, or even this 15-minute break of structure. That'd be really nice if we got a 15-minute break of structure. Now I'd definitely look for entries by then. If we get that 15-minute, we have 4 minutes and 15 seconds left to get that 15 minutes. So we have nothing to, like, bro, what? Yeah, I mean, we had this order block right here that price dipped into, and then that's why it shot back up and took out pre-market highs. So I think we're done, and then I think we'll be taking out this and having a break of structure towards the downside, or are we getting a nice wick down? So once that time comes, I'll come back. So okay, so we did just take out. We haven't took out those lows. Actually, we just took out. All right, we're about to close above. This is where I want to see price to go to get that break of structure. But if we close above both 79% extension closer and the break of structure, then that would be a really nice confluence to start looking for like an inverse fair value gap or respected fair value gap, which we got right here, which is what I'm looking for right now. So all I really want to see is a nice close above here. So we got like 30 seconds to do that. Okay, well, price did not close at all close to break of structure that I wanted to see, which was right here. I need to close above right here. We did not get that, nor did we get the 79% extension closure that I was looking for. So we are going to be looking more for, I mean, it's just been really shitty price action. I'm not really sure what's going on. I don't think there's any news today around 9, but yeah, we already passed all the news today. We did have, that was that candle that I was talking to you guys about earlier. This fucking candle that went, but now it's literally all we're getting in the market right now. So yeah, we're really pushing bull right now. I don't really expect that to go up any farther. I wouldn't be surprised if we get the break of structure right now either. So I think price can go a lot of different ways. Right now, it's just been super indecisive. What we got? Bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bear, bull. So, and they've all been within like how many points of each other, bro? Like, are we kidding, bro? Yeah, like, for real. That's crazy. And yeah, I don't know, guys. It's just not looking the best right now. And I'm not going to force anything. So we might not even take a trade right now. I might even wait till Asian session or New York PM session if I can't find anything right now. I do have a job today, guys. Like a real job at this place. I'm not looking to work there long. I need some quick cash, and if I'm gonna be getting money on day trading, I shouldn't have that be my only source of income right now just because I'm not even profitable yet. So and I don't want to be too attached to the thought of money. So how do you get unattached by the thought of money? Just get more money. That simple. So Yeah, we're gonna be seeing if I can take a trade here anytime soon. I might wait here till I'm gonna wait here till 12, but my room does close at 11. Or it's just been bull bear bear. Bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bear, bull. So, yeah, we're going to see how much better. All right, guys, we did just take out London lows on ES. I wasn't even paying attention like 10 minutes ago. Fuck. And honestly, that's a really good confluence, even though we're not even close to hitting it. But we can definitely start targeting higher. Because price had to react off of that, and that's what it's doing right now. So I definitely see it dumping in the next couple because, dude, I can't switch how I used to, which is really fucking annoying. I don't know if we have London highs right here. No. London highs right here. No, that's pre-market highs. But we did not sweep pre-market highs on ES. Honestly, the trade might be to take ES right now. What do we do with... We have Asian session lows right here. We have hourly low. Yeah, guys. That's just what I'm seeing through this. But we can see reverse back down. Oh fuck. Yeah, okay, we're gonna be checking for that. To be switching tabs between ES and NQ right now. One thing I wish TopStep would do is allow you to open up 2 pages at one time. That'd be really fucking nice. But we can't. I mean, once I get my 2 monitors going. when I'm up, then hopefully we'll be able to do that. But we are not at that point yet. So now, right now, we got the old MacBook with no webcam. Okay, we do have that. I don't know if that's the same thing on NQ. Oh my god, yeah, we just had all the confluences to push high that we just didn't take, I don't think. Yes. NQ. What up, bro? Yeah, NQ just made a higher high. Big time. Yeah, get that breaker strike. Honestly, I'm gonna if we inverse this for value gap on the 1 minute, I wouldn't be I would not be I wouldn't be what's it called? Like against taking a long here. Maybe to finish this for value gap right here. I would not be opposed to it. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing right now. I don't think we have anything on the 5 minute. We have a 2 minute to highest. Okay. What you want? But we did also just inverse this, so okay, wait. Okay, so we do have some confirmation we could be going bullish just because of this right here. Inverse, and if we respect this for value gap, we could be pushing bullish. But if we inverse this one, then I am for sure saying that we're pushing high, but we already had this high created after we went up. We were just late to it on, because we're not tracking ES right now, which is on my part. We took out lows. Yeah, that was pretty obvious. As ES taking out London highs. Yeah, there he did. Did right here. They have not taken out pre-market highs though. They just inversed the for value gap. So we did too. I want closure above it on the 1 minute. Nice. I'm gonna be targeting these highs right here because they're almost equal.
Order filled.
They're equal to like these relative highs right here also. Somewhere put in my stop loss right here. Let this play out. Getting just a little over a 1-to-1, about a 1.1. My bitch just let me. I'm gonna target right here, and then once we hit these highs right here, then I'll be putting at break even, so you can get a risk-free trade. Okay, we are risk-free. $10 risk, whatever. Sometimes bitches like go. Damn. Load a chopper, no alibi.
Order filled.
Oh shit. To be honest, guys, I don't really know. We're probably gonna take out those highs. It just took me out like way before than I wanted to. If we come back down here, I would not be opposed to a. Okay. Honestly, is what we do here. If we respect this for value gap, then fuck, dude. Then I think that's another great sign in bullish order flow. And it's in discounted price, so So this would be a really nice trade because we have low resistant highs here. And then we have these relative high right here. But I honestly think it's going to hit TP. My TP, that was all the way up here. But it'd be nice to see it come back down here. So let me see. All right, guys, we did end up hitting full TP on this. Or we would have ended up hitting full TP on this if I didn't go break even, but I was not going to risk that much just because we're in this chop. But we did just break through this for value gap, leading me to believe that I also think we're going to be pushing towards this fat-ass imbalance in the market that I think price has been just dying to fill this entire week. So yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. I'm gonna check ES right now, see what's going on there. NQ, ES. Okay, why does it always like have different sizes? Oh. ES is definitely targeting pre-market highs since I didn't hit it before. So I'm gonna see if I can take a trade on ES just because NQ did take out pre-market highs already, and it's probably surging for that for value gap. See if I can find an entry, or if the market gives me an entry. I'm not gonna be forcing anything right now because we always got PM session to go off of. So this will not be getting uploaded if we can't find an entry off right here. So, fuck me. Oh my god. Oh, I'm tired, yo. I'm big tired right now, bro. Yeah. Okay, so this is also what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this. This SMT divergence right here. Well, I think ES is the lagging index. Guys, if you guys have any comments and any advice on SMT divergences, because sometimes I confuse on which one's the leading index, but I always just assume it's NQ. So right now, I'm betting on ES to come hit these highs, and that'll be relative where EQ needs to hit, NQ needs to hit this for value gap. So I'm looking for an entry. But I do think it's safer to take one on ES. But we'll need to be watching NQ. I probably made that shit look simple. Hey, I made that shit look simple. Guys, I've never liked 1 minute equilibrium. I just feel like it's not a great confluence. Oh my goodness. I told you guys, and I think once we hit these highs, we're going to go a little bit higher, surging super far up, and we would have covered all of this liquidity that needed to be filled, and NQ is on its way of doing the same. But I'm not really finding a good entry model, so I don't think I'm going to be entering off of this. Y'all, but I literally got stopped out by a fucking tick. I didn't really just like the risk. I like the zero risk because of all this chop. So, and my bias has been like just insignificant. It's just been nothing. Like I didn't even know what a bias would have been. coming like after that. I was like, it could go either up, and if it goes up, it's gonna hit this, but if it goes down, then we have all these targets. So let's see if it respects this. Hopefully we can come down and respect this, and if we can get a nice respectful trade out of this, then I'll also be taking my setup. I'll feel a lot better about entering. But I might enter on micro and just get some, and just get in like a less riskier trade, put less money on the table. You know what I'm saying? Enter in with 2 micro contracts. Just so I have a better chance of just more room to play around with. Let's see. Why do I get so fucking fat, dude? I don't get it. Also have another fair value gap right here. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with that, but we do that. We do also have that as a target. I'd use an inverse right now. Just anything the market gives me, just say, okay, you're good to take this trade. If it's not telling me I'm going to take this trade, if it's telling me like, if it's just giving me the draw and liquidity to target and that's it, then I'm not taking it. Because that's undisciplined, y'all, and that's not what I'm here to teach you guys. I want to be here as an influence to you guys. So I'm here to teach you guys how to take mature trades, confident trades, only A+ trade with just trade discipline, and that's one thing I struggled on. That's one thing I struggled on. All right, guys, this is me back from work, but little does Thomas know that he is not the disciplined trader that he says he is, and he is still working on it with you guys. He's on a journey with all of you guys, right? This camera. He's on a journey with all of you guys, and we're gonna be learning together. Of course, I'm gonna try to be the role model for you guys. That's what I'm ultimately here for. I just want to help people out. That's like, that'd be a dream to help someone out. Just know that I help positively impacted someone's life in a great way, to the point to where I want to impact someone's life like how I wanted someone to impact my life. So yeah, that's what I'm here for, and we're gonna be learning this together, because hopefully these videos blow up when I'm up. Not now, when I'm getting up. I mean, if they do, they do, but like people can know that I was once in their shoes. Okay, so also, one thing I forgot to say is this is the start of the revenge trading, so I'm not gonna really like put too much time into me like watching the market move, because like my revenge trades did have some consequences to it, but nothing that I want you guys to be influenced on, saying like, oh wait, he won on the day though, so I can do it. No, I didn't win on the day. I lost because I had because I revenge trade, I broke my rules. Even though I'm up on the day, I lost. Hurts just as bad as losing. I mean, losing the account would be awful, but it would have been the result of my actions and the result of my undisciplined self. So yeah, so so I'm gonna start cutting out a lot of this. There's like a whole hour left, but I'm gonna start editing it out, making it more clean, more short, so you guys aren't like sitting there just watching and like, oh my god, he's revenge trading, what the fuck. No, I don't want you guys to be looking at, oh wait, what conflicts is he using to revenge trade? Oh, I'm gonna use those to revenge trade. No, that's not what I'm here for. Don't do that. Guys, if I sound weird, I'm also sick. No, I don't want you to do anything I'm going to do in this next probably like 30 minutes. And then I'm going to talk to you guys at the end. We're going to learn this together, okay? All right, guys, I just went in off of this inverse. I'm only trading 2 micro contracts right now because I do not want to be risking all that much. But here's my break-even point once we hit this per value gap right here. I've never been a micro contracts type of guy. They've never really stuck out to me like that. I never really liked them all that too much. I've always just been a one contract type of dude. I used to, before I went on YouTube, guys, before you guys see the man I was like fucking a betting man. Like I was just risking like 5 contracts per trade, damn near. And I was fucking losing everything, dude. It got to a point. So yeah, that wasn't also very good. I'll put it like right under this per value gap right here that I see. There we get a little nice 1-to-1. This is where I want. This is where I see price. Wait. But yeah, so taking 2 micros for me right now, it's a great. It's just some discipline that I need to work on. So having that is nice for me, just because that's something I usually wouldn't have done in my past. So, but it looks like we might get
Order
stuffed out
filled.
here, and we did. All right, guys. Also, when recording this video, I had to shut my computer because I went to downstairs. So I didn't know that on OBS, like it pauses my screen. So the only thing I'm not being non-transparent with you guys, that actually just pauses my screen, as you can tell. My screen hasn't moved, but that won't stop me from showing you guys what actually happened today. All right, so guys, it just hurts to show, but so we did have it was the 16th, so we had that 0 loss. I didn't start trading until like right here, I think. No, that's 8:30. Okay, 10:31 right here. So I had 15, took a loss, took another loss, took another huge loss. This would have been fine. A $200 losing day would have been completely fine. But Thomas said, fuck, no, that's not fine. So what did I do? I traded and I took big loss after big loss. Boom. And then I was getting up. And I think at this point, I was profit, right? So I think at this point, 11:30, right here, I was up $70, and I should have just left. Then I was up 90 somehow. Oh, like right here, yeah. So, and then $5, and then $5 loss. So then I was down 68. And then $55 loss right here. And then I was down to $9. $300 fucking loss, dude. Which was Right here, down 308, 110, 280, back up. Should I just fucking end of the day right there? You would think I would. You would think. But nope, I had other plans on becoming profitable. You gotta spit everywhere. What the fuck? And then, so, then I lost. So I was up after this $315 loss. I was up $85, $495, down 308. I was sure to stop there, right? And then 10, 72, 10. And then I was back up to, I was back up right here. I think it was negative. I think I had +4 at one point, like +4. I should have stopped right there. No, I said I wanted more. $245 loss, $5 loss. Just continue to shit the bed, you know, just every single time. It's 1208. 1208 minus 136. Then 300. Oh, I don't know how I didn't blow my account. And basically $300 loss, $400 loss, and then $580 loss. I was negative 1,400 and I was 500 away from blowing my account, and I was really debating on stopping. I didn't really care anymore, and I was like, fuck it, whatever. So $430 win, $50 win, 500 win, and then 250 loss, then 900. So I was basically back where I was at. And then I went on a spree for 9 of my 10 trades were hits. And I got 832, 585, 357, 622, 610. Then this $920 trade, which has been my best trade on this account, hit. So yeah, see, these are the trades I need to be taking. These these 15 45-second things, or they're like $20 like wins. Sorry, this. So I need to be a little bit more maximizing my time with those for sure. But yeah, that's what the account's looking like right now. Very just up 700 total. Here's the monthly. It's 56. I don't know why it says 56 because I swear it wasn't 56. Whatever. But you guys see what's up. I think I do have my last trades on video though, so you guys can watch those if you want. But if you guys want to skip that, then I'll be talking about just bettering oneself at the end. So you guys can skip to that if you guys want. And what did I learn from this?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
guys. I'm done editing the video, but I did leave like 99% of the trades in there. There are some trades that didn't leave inside there just because of the time, and I didn't want it to be too long. There's like, you guys have, I showed you guys in the video how many trades I took, but it is just so many. So I didn't show all the live ones, but I did show every single trade I took on my P&L ski chart. Yeah, last trade, full luck. It's the trade that got me even throughout the day. And this is like I knew, like I literally came in with the bias. I knew what was I predicted the market to a T because it's been happening all week, where it's been taking out previous day highs and then crashing, taking out previous day highs, and then crashing, taking out previous day highs, and crashing. So I knew it was gonna happen again, and I called it, and it did. And I just didn't wait for it to happen, and I was getting way too fast. So yeah, if you be more patient, for sure. I've been doing pretty good at that up until today, but that was just insane. Yeah, definitely a whole lot to talk about. It's gonna have a crazy clickbait video, but things to just take away is that I know I have time. I don't need to pass my fundage right now. What is, like, I'm losing what, like a week worth of pay from having a funded like a week in advance. Like, I don't give a shit. Like, I can wait that long. You know, you have to be patient, okay? You don't got that money, good, get a job. I have a job, so I have money coming in still, even though I'm not making any money from trading. So if you can't wait, if you can't be patient enough for the money to start flowing through trading, get a job. And that's one thing I had to do, because I was becoming so like, I need to get this money now, because I got in a car, I like wrecked my car, had to pay like $1,500, and it like damn near rinsed me of all the money I made during the summer, because I wasn't really responsible with all the money I made during the summer. So I spent a lot of it, and then I spent damn near all of it right now. So I only have a couple $100 in my name right now. So I don't even know, maybe not even that. But yeah, I probably have like, at that, I have like 70 in the bank right now. So yeah, guys. So just remember not to overtrade ever. Be patient within the markets, and yeah, just follow your strategy. One thing I'm gonna stop doing is doing break even so easily. I think it's just that fear inside of me. It's just thinking about like, oh, what if I lose this money? So I'm gonna stop doing that, because that causes me to overtrade too, doing break even too early. So yeah, all right, guys, it's been a real one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please take notes from this. Just be like, okay, Thomas tell me not to do it. He got lucky as fuck and won on the market somehow. He's one in a fucking million. Don't follow him, because not everyone's gonna be one in a fucking million. Okay, that's lucky ass trading day. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that. That was awful. Okay, but love y'all boys, girls. Peace.